Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you watching this video. Today I'm have a simple construction, assembly construction, and today I'm going to cover modeling of these parts and assembly on this part. It's a simple construction and it is for beginners. This is a very good practice and exercise for people that want to learn SolidWorks. And after that, I want to show you. Also, I have a drawing here that is already done, and in next video I want to show you how you can make a drawing and how you can change the title block and sheet format with your logo and with your name and customize it like that you are able to put your name and information, logo and all this stuff. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please write it down on the comment on there, so I will answer as soon as possible. Sketch. One great. And thickness. For sharp edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put the 2 here. Feature, extrude, and the length should be 1650. Okay, I save this first part. We are finished with the first part. when you go here, so it's opening a window and asking you the first part you want, and I go to blanket 1 and click OK. So this part's coming here and will be fixed. So click on this, is gonna be fixed. So this is my first part. So the other way to take part is going insert, and you can take all this part together in the same time, and click OK. So all part is coming here one by one. I will put it here. It's automatically, if you click on your page, so all parts coming here. That one. Okay. So to change appearance and get more color, I go first here and to wood, because all this part is wood, and I go to maple and take that guy, come here and leave it here. So as you see, the color changed and the material also changed. So if you want to change this one or remove it, so easily go there and click remove appearance if you want. But as you see, I remove it. Or you can edit appearance. As you see here, it's coming one square line with changing that one, so you can change the monster on your wood. I think for me it look like here is good, so I leave it like that. Click yes. Okay, so we go and assemble part together. First, I need 2 of that. I hold that one and drag it. Hold the control and drag. So I made one more extra part. One more time, I want to show you. You click on this one, hold control and drag. So you can control and drag. So we copy a part from each other. So on the assembly, I go to mate, take that side and that side. Okay, that side and that side should be okay, and that side and that side. Okay, this is the lower part of the car ramp. Okay, next I need one of these, so I drag it here and I click on that one and over here. Yes, okay, and I go to that one and that one. I wanted opposite side, so I go here and change the side. Yes, good. That one and that one. Good. So this part is fixed, and as you see, I'm gonna go to next part. I need one more like this, so I go here, click on that one, take a part and hold control and drag. If it's not going like that, so you find a part and do like that one. See, hold, find the part, click on it and drag it inside like that. Okay, so next part is gonna be here. mate, click on the mate. Okay, that part and that part. Okay. So this is two side fixed, but one side can move it from and back. I leave it like this because I don't know exactly where I want it. Okay, I go to next. So the next is also one of these. Copy one more time. Hold Ctrl, drag. Okay. This one and here. Assembly mate. Good. I push it a little bit up to get the axis under and here. Okay. And a distance between here and here should be is about 225 to 25. Good. Okay guys, as you see the assembly is finished, and to make some good picture and make it better look, so, all this real view graphic on, and I want also shadow in shaded mode. Yeah, I want that, and also ambient occlusion is also maybe. This is also good to have. This is no, is cartoon, no, I don't want it. So until here, the next you can go to view and go to display and turn on the tangent edge removed, and so far so good. And here you can also choose a background color, and a lot of option you have here, and it's always nice. And you can go and put manage your favorite here, and for example add more factory color. That one I will turn on to see. And if you want, you can make your favorite too. There's many urban stuff.
we can choose also rooftop. Okay, rooftop here. Yeah. Okay. Here is, for example, a nice view. I won't have that one. I can also make a picture of that and go here and click on the save as. Go to portable network graphics PNG. Yeah, click on the save and you call it anything you want. I call it car ramp. Yes, as you see, they made a very nice and clear picture for you here, so you can cut it and make a video on your YouTube or thumbnail. Is up to you.